Guys, this is Ron with Sea Devil Lighting and Power. Today we're going to unbox and introduce our brand new Generation 3 LED balloon light kits. Let's dive in. We're going to start by unboxing the new LED balloon light kit. This is a 250 watt unit. Now all of the same accessories and included items in a 60 watt, 150 watt, and 250 watt unit are the same. So here we have the owner's manual and a tool, the LED balloon light fixture, a remote control, a 2-inch C-clamp. Now the fixture is pre-installed with an eye bolt, which is another adapter for top-down applications, just like the 2-inch C-clamp. What's also included is the tripod adapter. This will be used with a 6.5-foot tripod stand, which is included in every balloon light kit purchase. And then we will have, finally, our LED fixture case, used for storing and transporting the LED balloon light fixture. All right, now that we've unboxed the balloon light fixture, installed the tripod adapter, and mounted it onto the tripod stand, let's explore some of the new key features with our Generation 3 model. The first enhancement is the on and off button fixed directly on the bottom of the unit. The next new feature is the ability to change the color temperature of the light from a bright white functional 5,000 Kelvin down to a warm amber at 3,000 Kelvin. Also included with the LED balloon light kit is a lifetime warranty on the fixture. One of the most defining enhancements with the Generation 3 LED balloon light kits is the ability to control the light in the palm of your hand. Simply download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store to control an individual unit or multiple units, all from one device. As we continue to innovate and manufacture LED balloon lights that are built to last, we have redesigned the fixture's structural base, improving durability and longevity. That'll conclude our unboxing and introduction of the Generation 3 LED balloon lights. Stay tuned for more updates and information. Follow us at seadevil.lighting on Instagram, or check out our website and sign up for our newsletter. Thanks a lot, guys, and we'll see you next time.